Hey guys, to report missing item on Temu, go to your orders at your profile icon at the top right. Then you can see your orders, press it on the left. Okay. And then you're gonna see, of course, at the top, right, processing, ship, deliver, returns, and all that stuff. In the all orders, you're gonna see, the products and everything. Select the return or refund option for the specific item or product, right? Or help option. And from there, confirm you received the package, and of course, select the missing item as we mentioned before, and you're gonna be able to choose the refund method, whether it is Temu balance, so you can, buy something later from Temu, or you can receive it to the same bank account you pay for. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.